so you don't want to pick your boat up. We'll pick it up for you, free of charge. You will be very careful with it. I promise we won't scratch it much. We know that it's been with your family a long time. We appreciate you storing it here for 4 or 5 years for free. So after a little remodeling, just a little bit of gel coat, a little fiberglass work, maybe some wood. We're going to send it out to our refurbishing plant, piece by piece, in hopes that customer satisfaction will be achieved to the highest standard. There's about 7 boats in that dumpster. I mean, in that refurbishing plant. Taking on a little water? No problem here at Hot Heads Marine. We could drain your boat of all of its water problems. Uh-oh, he dropped it. Oh, he's going to put it over there and store it for another day. That's Jack Haynes on that equipment, and he seems to have quite a bit of fun doing it. Of course, who wouldn't? Repairing boats is lots of fun.